In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a frosted glass background effect in Elementor for WordPress. This is a trendy and visually appealing effect that can bring a modern touch to your website design. First, you'll need to head over to your website's WordPress login page. Simply enter your login credentials and navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the dashboard, it's time to find the Elementor plugin. Look over on the left-hand sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Elementor. Go ahead and click on it. After opening Elementor, you'll see a list of pages you can edit. Click on any page you wish to add the frosted glass effect to by selecting the Edit with Elementor option. This action will take you into the Elementor editor where you can visually design your page with ease. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to select the section or container you want to apply the frosted glass effect to. If you don't have a section selected, you might need to upgrade to get access to the right features, or choose a section in your current design that you want to modify. Hover over the desired section and you'll see a blue outline indicating it's been selected. With your section selected, it's time to delve into the styling options. Look to the left-hand panel and click on the Style tab. This will open up a variety of styling settings that you can customize. Our focus is on applying a background effect, so next you'll need to click on the background type option. Here you have several choices, but the one we want is the overlay option to create that pleasing frosted appearance. To achieve the frosted glass effect, you might need to add a specific color overlay with reduced opacity. This gives the transparent appearance that replicates real frosted glass. Carefully adjust the settings like color, blur and opacity until you capture the exact visual effect you're aiming for. Feel free to experiment a bit to see how different settings look and complement the rest of your page design. And there you have it, a captivating frosted glass effect on your WordPress site using Elementor. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the update button on the bottom left to ensure your new design takes effect. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it insightful and helpful in enhancing your website's design. Stay tuned for more tutorials and design tips. Until next time, happy designing.